You know what, man? I gotta get something off my chest. Spaceweather.com hates us. They hate hams. Look at this. Whoa, okay. There's a series of dits. Spaceweather.com hates ham radio operators. That's my contention. Here's my evidence. The top article is talking about what? Marianne's Arctic tours. Now, far be it from me to bust a man's chops for trying to make a buck. Man's got to do a job, and so does a woman. And I'm sure Marianne's a fine woman, but she and I don't see eye to eye because of the next item. Geomagnetic unrest, huh? Our magnetic field got rang like a bell, huh? Yeah, I'll bet Marianne's broken-hearted about that, isn't she? Yeah, I'm sure it'll spawn beautiful auroras for Marianne's Arctic tours. In the meantime, us hams, we're just SOL, man. We're shit out of luck. The bands are horrible. Marianne's overjoyed and I'm miserable. Sunspot number 0. Current stretch 12 days. Percentage of days 76%. 1% less than last year. Really? And we've got reverse polarity sunspots? What are we going to do? Make history by having reverse polarity sunspots at the tail end of the previous miserable sunspot solar cycle? Yeah. I can deal with the sun. I just can't deal with spaceweather.com and their wishing misery on us hams. That's what I think.